Hi, my name is Sandy. I'm teaching you a computer generation, basic of computers. Computer is the most powerful technology in the world. Let's begin. The evolution of computer technology is often divided into five generations. First generation of computer, 1940 and 1950, vacuum tube base. The main characteristics of first generation of computer, 1940. Main electronic components, vacuum tube, main memory, magnetic drum and magnetic tape. Programming language, machine language. Power, consume a lot of electricity and generate a lot of heat. Speed and size, very slow and very large in size, often taking up entire room. Input device, output device purchases card and paper. Quantity, here are about 100 different products between 1942 and 1963. Example of unit. The main characteristics of second generation of computer, 1950 and 1960. Main electronic component, transistor, memory, magnetic core and magnetic tape. Disks, programming language, assembly language, input device plus card and magnetic tape. Example of IBM 1401, IBM 700 and 794. The main characteristics of fourth generation of computer, 1970. As present, main electronic component, very large scale integration, SI and microprocessor, memory, semiconductor memory such as RAM and ROM, programming language, high-level language, speed, improvement of speed, accuracy and reliability in comparison with the third generation of computer. Input-output device like keyboard, printing device, optical scanning monitor, printer, etc. Network, a group of two or more computer systems linked together. Example, IBM. The main characteristics of fifth generation of computer, the present and the future. The component based on artificial intelligence, user the ultra large scale integration technology and parallel processing method. ULSS, millions of transactions on single microchips. Parallel processing method, used two or more microprocessors. Language, understand natural language, human readable and understandable language. Power, consume less power and generate less heat. Speed, remarkable improvement of speed, accuracy and reliability and comparison with the fourth generation of computer. Size, portable and small in size and have a hang of storage capacity. Thank you for watching this video.